We have to show them how I got to the floor.
That's right.
Just falling count. So we're hooking up the foot controller, foot pedal controller for the air head up there. Very important piece. And surprisingly, none of the hardware is missing. I take that back. Nope, nope, it's there. There's a star washer under there. Even the star washer is still here. So there's the appropriate bracket. We'll see if this thing leaks when we put real air pressure on it. With 50 pounds, it works perfect. Alright, that's my wrench. What's the factory torque on this?
You have to pull out the sunnen vgs20 service manual.
About whatever I can get with one hand. Yeah, that's it. And that doesn't work. So that's going to be up in the air a little bit, which I don't think really matters, as long as the pedal works correctly. Pretty good. Uh-oh. I can't find that screw. Alright. Time to get up. Can't make money on your back very easily. Oh, I bent this thing. I forgot I didn't straighten this. You didn't remind me I was supposed to straighten this before we did this.
It's fine.
No, it isn't. It's bent. It's got more clearance now than it's supposed to have. Okay, maybe it's supposed to be bent. Where'd the screw go? Black on black. Not a good combo. So you think it's alright if my machine's bent down there?
Well, it works for me. Yeah.
Looks like somebody just kicked the piss out of it for no reason. Couldn't have been me. See, I got the official straightening tool right there. Look at that. It works like it's supposed to. Oh, sneeze don't like it. Oh, look at that. It still works. Barely. It's losing air. Not quite enough air. Look how it's blowing dust out. That's not good. What are we down for air pressure? 41 pounds is not quite enough air pressure. Get this stuff out of the way. Ew, that is rusty. See how you don't leave your machine for a while? It gets rusty. Look at all that. It's terrible. You can really feel the rust right here. Where's your scrub pad at?
At home?
Right there?
Yeah. Mine's at home.
I'm using mine right now. See, I still got some finger prints left, some scrub pad. A little better. there. All right. Okay, what's the other side look like? What are we hanging on? What's our hose hanging on over here? Hooked on electrical in the way. This electric cord's a problem? Probably.
I think you're good.
Good?
Yeah, I think you're good.
Corrosion. What's up with all this? Spring box is in the way. I need to give me some new LED lights. These old broken ones that take 200 amp bulbs in there. 90s technology. A little different than today's stuff. Look at that rust right there. That's where it was sitting. Is that sandpaper going? Heavy rust right there. Barnacles. Barnacles. Shot for you to get that dirty. No maintenance at all. Look at that. That's rusty. See, it didn't look that rusty, but it sure made a lot of brown, didn't it? That's definitely bad through there. That's right where I work at. Yeah, that's bad. See, this looks rustier here, but it's smooth. That's high right there. It's a high spot. It's like your transmission. It can look like crap, but if it's smooth, you're okay. Alright. Okay, so what's this, what are we hung up on the back? Is it for you to go back and forth, or we got to
This piece right here.
my hammer? Looks like this is, maybe. Yeah, see the cord's in the wrong spot. That's a problem. Should be alright down there. What's sliding? What was it sliding on?
Piece of board.
Okay, this can't be in there. New spot. Okay, so now it's free to float. So I scientifically designed it where it would work. So. Bleeding. This has to be free floating or it doesn't center. So we are not free floating, we're catching everything.
You're on that grinder. The motor for the grinder.
Go that direction, work better. Alright. Get stuck over there. Doesn't like being weight that way. See it drags?
Mm-hmm.
Over here it's freer. There's some rust buildup on something. Probably rusty up under here, is my guess. Maybe just needs more air pressure. Definitely doesn't like being in that spot. Being in that spot. Definitely rust under there because it's leaving a brown mark. Gotta work the rust out of the machine. Get this side going too, what the hell. Does it look like I'm playing? It's laying better over there now. I'm all the way that way right now. Better than it was. Still isn't happy though. Oh, it ran into something on the other side. Your body damage over there?
Nope. Airlines are hanging up on that motor.
Sticker damage? No, I ran into that over there.
Oh.
That piece right there. There'll be a mark on that where I hit.
What?
Defacing my sticker over there. Original paint.
Put a Tatro sticker over it.
My original paint is getting damaged by impact. Whatever is over here it impacted against. Yeah, right there. It was hit up on high. I missed the important part. Okay, well this is supposed to sit over here, so. Now it's a functional machine. I put it in the right spot. There you go. Much better. And the rust spot's getting worn down a little bit. It's time to go on this and buff these down a little bit. Alright, head machine should be functional. Rev them up. Not good. Reverse. Oh, reverse, you can't go backwards. That's no good. That sucks. You go that direction. Can't do that though. I guess it's made for speed tapping. Alright, that looks good. Clean the crap off of here. That seems to be still pretty dry. Do not lube that. It makes this grunt chipstick to chew up your thing. So you have to wipe the corrosion off every time you use it. What the hell was that? Something fell. Pin is dirty. Didn't want to go up. Oh. I hit. What did I hit? I hit something. I didn't feel it hit, but. Play back that video. Obviously, I must have hit it up there, because, see, it's gone. It was on there before. come up and hit it. I didn't even feel it. Damaged goods. Jeez, it lasted 20 years until I broke it. Oh well. Shit happens. All right, there we go. Head machine is kind of working. Now I gotta figure out where all the tools are at. They're all over the place. All right, that's it for now.